It's time to make things easier by watching this video about making money online. Everyone knows someone who is making a killing online, but how do you get to do the same yourself? Would you like to give up your job and instead work from home? If you are interested in learning more about working online, this video has the tips and tricks you need. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and PaperPost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Think about what you want to be paid. If you intend to do something online to make money, what is your minimum acceptable hourly wage? If you start out cheap, you will have a very hard time ever earning more. People will know you don't value yourself well, and they will give you that kind of payment. Try offering to advertise for other people. Website ads are a great way to earn money. If you currently write a popular blog, there may be sellers available that will pay you to place an ad on your blog. This advertisement will offer a redirect to your readers. They will land on the affiliate company's site, where they will find offers to purchase. Now that you've read all of these great tips and tricks, you are primed to make some money online. Take your time as you begin to figure out what niche is right for you. Once you find your money-making opportunity, build up your drive and start tackling it with passion. Student loan,